TNT at Converge na lang po ang may pag-asang makakuha ng twice to beat advantage sa ating PBA 49 season Commissioner's Cup. At yan, susuriin natin yan, no? Kung paano makakuha ng TNT at paano makakuha ng Converge yung twice to beat advantage. So, puntahan mo natin yung TNT, no? Again, they have an 8-3 win-loss record going into their final game. That final game is against Rain or Shine on Friday sa PhilSports Arena, January 31. At simpleng-simple lang. Kailangan gawin ng TNT para makuha yung twice to beat. Kailangan lang nilang manalo over Rain or Shine. Dahil aakyat sila sa pangalawa. Aakyat ang kanilang win-loss record sa 9-3. Tatabla sila with Northport for that record. But dahil natalo ang TNT sa Northport no elimination round by 5 points, TNT ang makakakuha ng number 2 and then yung Northport assured na ng number 1 spot. Actually, itong TNT, pwede pa rin makuha yung twice to beat kung matalo sila sa Rain or Shine. Pero mangyayari lang yon kung mananalo ang Magnolia no, sa kanilang game against Meralco. So, ganito ang lalabas. Kung sakaling matalo ang TNT kontra sa Rain or Shine and then yung manalo ang Magnolia, itong lalabas, 3-way tie for second place with an 8-4 record with TNT at number 2. TNT pa rin ang makakuha ng number 2 spot dahil sa kanilang quotient na 1.0385. Yun nga, mabibreak ang tie using the PBA quotient system pag ganito nangyari. And with this 3-way tie, TNT ang makakakuha ng number 2 spot dahil nga sa quotient na yan and a +7 differential, no? Dahil tinalo ng TNT ang Converge by 2 points and then tinalo rin ng TNT itong Ginebra by 5. So that's a +7 point differential. So pangatlo ang Converge with an 8-4 win-loss record, 1.0565 or 10265 yung magiging quotient nila, +5. Then followed by Ginebra, they will get the number 4 seed dahil nga sa quotient na 0.9365 and a -12. So actually itong video na to will also explain kung bakit stay na ang Ginebra sa number 4 and stay na rin sa number 5 yung Meralco, no? So dahil nga dito sa sitwasyon na to, and kaya ito rin ang reason kung bakit wala nang pag-asa ang Ginebra na makakuha ng number 2 position. Okay, pero yung Converge ay may isa pang pag-asa, no? May chance pa rin sila na makakuha ng twice to beat advantage. At makukuha nila yon kung manalo ang Rain or Shine and then manalo rin ng Meralco sa kanilang laro kontra Magnolia. At yun nga, angat natin ng konti. Yung Converge will get the number 2 spot pag ganito ang nangyari na Rain or Shine ay manalo sa TNT at manalo rin ng Meralco sa Magnolia dahil yung Converge ay magiging number 2 dito sa 4-way tie na ito. Pareho silang magiging 8-4 with TNT, with Ginebra and Meralco. But Converge will get the number 2 seed dahil sa kanilang mataas na quotient na 1.0742 or a +21 point differential. Kung matatandaan nyo, ay tinambakan ng Meralco itong Converge by 16 points, no, nung Pasko. And as we check yung score nung game na yun, ang score nga dun is 110-94. So 16-point win by Converge over Meralco, and then tinalo nila yung Ginebra by 7 points sa Batangas City noong December 21. So that's 16 plus 7. So lalabas na 23, and then natalo ang Converge sa TNT by 2 points. So +21 ang point differential ng Converge and they will take the number 2 spot. Pangatlo naman ng TNT, silang makakakuha ng number 3 spot. They will play in a best of 3 quarterfinals due to their quotient of 1.0320, no, and a +9 point differential. Tinalo nila yung Ginebra, tinalo nila Meralco, but close games to, no. Actually sinwip nila lahat ito, yung Converge, Ginebra and Meralco, pero nga dikit yung naging labanan And dahil nga yung Converge ay tinambakan yung Meralco by 16 points, sila tuloy ang makakakuha ng twice to beat advantage, itong Converge, for finishing number 2. So hindi po win-loss record between these teams ang magiging basehan. It's going to be the quotient or the point differential. Kaya ganito ang nangyari. Kahit na sweep ng TNT, itong Converge, Ginebra, and Meralco, puro dikit naman yung mga laro, so hindi nila na-secure yung number 2 spot kung ganito ang mangyayari kung magkakaroon ng 4-way tie. And then yun nga, Ginebra and Meralco will stay at 4 and 5. Ginebra with a minus 8 point differential. And then Meralco, dahil nga tinambakan sila against Converge, isa yun sa dahilan kung bakit sila minus 22 sa point differential. So again, to recap, TNT makukuha twice to beat kung manalo sila over rain or shine. Twice to beat din ng TNT kung matalo sila over rain or shine pero manalo ang Magnolia. And then yung Converge will secure the twice to beat advantage, the number 2 spot, kung matalo ang TNT sa rain or shine, and then manalo rin ang Meralco over Magnolia. So yan po ang scenario dun sa labanan sa number 2 seed sa quarterfinals. Hopefully naging malinaw. Comment down below kung sinong gusto nyo maging number 2. Gusto nyo ba TNT or Converge? So yun po ang labanan for the number 2 spot. Kung sino po ang mag number 2 will grab that twice to beat advantage. And again, a reminder, Northport already at number 1, they will get the twice to beat advantage sa quarterfinals. So hopefully naging malinaw yung ating explanation, and hopefully this will help you dun sa inyong viewing experience sa PBA Commissioner's Cup as the elimination round winds down. So again, ang Friday games natin, Meralco against Magnolia and TNT against Rain or Shine. So dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating video, and we will see you next time. Again, ako po si Ruben Terrado, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.